Are you getting this message on Roblox? Transaction ad failed when you try to buy something or claim a reward? Don't worry, this is a common problem and I'll help you fix it. This usually happens when Roblox can't complete the payment or reward process. It can be because of server issue, internet problems, or a temporary glitch. First, open Google and search Roblox server status. If Roblox servers are down, purchase won't work, so you just need to wait. If the servers are fine, close Roblox completely. On mobile, remove it from recent apps. On PC, close it from Task Manager, then open Roblox again. If it still doesn't work, log out of your Roblox account, wait for about 30 seconds, then log back in. Now check your internet, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. A weak connection can cause this error. If this happens while buying something, make sure you have enough Robux and your payment method is working. Also, don't press the buy button again and again. Wait a few minutes. You can also try doing the purchase from another device, like using a phone instead of PC or a browser instead of the app. If nothing works, update the Roblox app to the latest version or contact Roblox support and tell them you're getting the error transaction ad failed. That's it. These fixes solve most Roblox transaction errors. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.